Did you know there are several countries whose capitals start with the same letter as the country itself? How many of those coming in your mind? None or not many? No worries, I will enlighten you. There are 29 countries where the capital city starts with the same letter as the country. They are Algeria, Algiers; Andorra, Andorra la Vella; Barbados, Bridgetown; Belgium, Brussels; Belize, Belmopan; Brazil, Brasilia; Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan; Djibouti, Djibouti; Guatemala, Guatemala City; Guyana, Georgetown; Kuwait, Kuwait City; Luxembourg, Luxembourg; Maldives, Mela; Marshall Islands, Majuro; Mexico, Mexico City; Monaco, Monaco; Mozambique, Maputo; Niger, Niamey; Panama, Panama City; Papua New Guinea, Port Moresby; San Marino, San Marino; Sao Tome and Principe, Sao Tome; Singapore, Singapore; South Korea, Seoul; Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardenepura Kod; Sweden, Stockholm; Taiwan, Taipei; Tunisia, Tunis; Vatican City, Vatican City. Which one surprised you the most? And which you were already aware of? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts and videos. See you next time!